We at Leonis Consultancy have the expertise in delivering cybersecurity sensitization lectures, A, for your management, and B, for your first responders who are your employees. For the management, we have sessions that cover what are the current cyber attacks, what are the future attacks possible. We talk about what is the impact your organization will have in case of an attack, in case if there's no reasonable security practices for your personal sensitive data. We talk about the GDPR, we talk about the Personal Data Protection Act, which will help you to ensure that there are reasonable security practices in your business. For your first responders who are your employees, we have a separate session that covers what are the type of cyber attacks we are seeing, especially during this pandemic where we have seen a huge rise of cybercrime. We talk about various type of crimes through various communication channels. It could be net banking frauds. We talk about the ransomware attack. We talk about the phishing attacks. We see a lot of attacks happening through the IT/OT related channel. So we give not only sensitize them, but we tell them through proper cases what are the type of attack and how do you mitigate, how do you ensure that you make life difficult for the fraudster and the hacker, professionally as well as personally. We talk about cyber psychology, and we talk about we do deliver a little bit on the IT Act, the cyber law, so that when you use all this yantra and mantra, you should be knowing the law of the land. So this definitely is going to be a very helpful session to your organization.